What's going on there, guys, and welcome back to our channel. Taking a break from your hectic schedule is not only acceptable, it's required. However, if you find yourself taking way too many vacation days and failing to do anything, you're probably lazy. But even when they know they have things to do and places to go, why do individuals succumb to laziness? It might be because of a fear of failing, a mountain of duties to do, or a loss of enthusiasm for your profession. Now let us take a look on how to overcome laziness. Number 6. Daily exercise. Several fitness experts emphasize the significance of exercise in combating laziness, especially if done first thing in the morning. Once you start your blood moving, you'll notice that you'll feel awake and energized instead of sluggish and lethargic. Young people who reported being weary all the time felt more energized and less exhausted when they exercised at a low to moderate intensity, according to studies. Exercising or working out daily helps managing time, and it's also the best way to overcome laziness. Number 5. Make your goals manageable. It's true that one of the main reasons individuals get lethargic is because they don't find something stimulating enough to wake them up. Setting unrealistic objectives, on the other hand, might overwhelm you and lead to a downward circle of demotivation, indolence, and guilt. As a result, your goals must be both attainable and interesting. A long list of to-dos can be overwhelming, resulting in sensory overload and us ignoring all of the items on the list, but don't let it get the best of you. Instead, consider the following. What am I hoping to accomplish at the conclusion of this project? Is this something I like doing? Why is it required to do this task? Break down your daily, weekly, and monthly objectives into manageable activities so you can tackle them one at a time. Number 4. Don't expect to be perfect. Perfectionism is on the increase, and it's having a toll on people's mental health. Perfectionism increased with time, according to a 2017 survey of college students between 1989 and 2020s. Young people today face more competitive situations, more unreasonable expectations, and more worried and controlling parents than generations before, according to the researchers. People are becoming more critical of themselves and others as a result of the increase in perfectionism. Depression and anxiety have also increased as a result. Expecting perfection was linked to avoidant coping, which is when you avoid dealing with challenges, according to a smaller research of college students. Number 3. Take a positive attitude. Life is full of difficult events and hurdles. When confronted with one, concentrate on the positive aspects, no matter how little or inconsequential they may seem. Even if it's not immediately apparent, you can always discover the proverbial silver lining in every cloud if you seek it. If someone cancels plans, for example, think about how it frees up time for you to watch TV or do anything else you love. Negative self-talk may sabotage your attempts to accomplish goals in many areas of your life. Negative self-talk includes telling yourself that you're a slacker. Positive self-talk may help you silence your negative inner voice. Positive self-talk includes thoughts like, I'll give it my best to make it happen, instead of, there's no way I can get this done. If you allow guilt, worries, and lack of self-confidence, this will lead you towards laziness. Moreover, you will not achieve your goal. You'll become lazy if you have negative feelings and negative emotions surrounding you. Remember, always be positive. Number 2. Ask for assistance. Many individuals assume that asking for assistance shows a lack of strength. However, refusing to ask for assistance may set you up for failure. People who don't approach colleagues for assistance are more likely to be unsatisfied with their employment or have worse job performance, according to a 2018 study trusted source. They were likewise held in lower regard by their bosses. Asking for assistance increases your chances of success and allows you to connect with people who can help you succeed. So sometimes asking for help is considered good for overcoming your laziness. Number 1. Avoid distraction. When we don't feel like doing anything, we all have our go-to diversions, whether it's reading through social media or playing with our pets. Find strategies to make your distractions more difficult to reach. This may include going to a quiet area to work, such as a library or an empty room, or using an app to block sites that you browse through idly when you should be doing something else. At school, juggling several tasks and deadlines may be difficult, but when you're focused on one task, it's simple to overlook another. With a suitable calendar, you can better arrange your deadlines and manage your time. Determine when you're most productive and set aside time for schoolwork and extracurricular activities. You may keep track of your courses and assignments by using a planner or a digital calendar. For people who like to write to-do lists and schedule appointments by hand, paper planners are ideal. According to one research, just writing things down improves your focus and recall. This about wraps up our video, which we hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to smash that like button to let us know, and also watch the 2 videos on your screen, as I'm sure you'll love them. We'll be seeing you guys later in another video soon. Until then, take care and goodbye.